Hi friends, Melissa from the Happier Homemaker here, and as you can see today we're in the backyard, and that's because we're talking about homemade DIY weed killer. Now there's two kinds of weed killer solutions that I usually make depending on where I'm going to spray them, and it's very important that you don't spray the wrong one in the wrong spot because you'll kill everything. So the first one I'm going to show you how to make, we make if we're spraying an area like in the flower beds or where you have plants growing nearby that you don't want to kill, but there's weeds popping up in between. So there's two ingredients in this one, and that's going to be white vinegar and Dawn dish soap. I use Dawn, I suggest it. And all you're going to do is you're going to mix 2 cups of your vinegar with 2 tablespoons of your Dawn. And I usually do this in a little spray bottle like this, and then that's plenty for me to go around my flower beds and spray, which I'll show you in a minute. Now the other kind of solution that we're going to make is much stronger, and never spray it where you want anything to grow again. Now that one has 3 ingredients. We're going to have our vinegar, we're going to have our dish soap, and we're going to have regular old table salt from the kitchen, okay? So for this one, this is like if you want to spray your driveway where the cracks are so that the weeds don't come up. You never want anything to grow there, so go ahead and use that there. But don't use it in flower beds or anywhere you plan on planting again. For this mixture, I would mix it up in something like this, a larger container that I can spray large surfaces with. And for this one, you're going to use an entire gallon of your vinegar, and then you're going to pour in a cup of your table salt, okay? And then mix it around really good to let that salt dissolve. Once the salt is dissolved, add the 2 tablespoons of dish soap and mix it again. And just to kind of let you know, so the way that this works is that the vinegar has acetic acid in it, which draws the moisture out of the plant. That's what kills it. The dish soap is important because it's a surfactant, so it breaks that water tension, the surface tension of the water or the solution, and lets it actually soak into the weeds. So the dish soap is important to let it actually work. And then the salt, for that stronger solution, the salt is going to basically poison the ground. It's going to make it so nothing can grow there again. Okay? So I'm going to cut to a little example of using this and how well it works. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, give it a little thumbs up, and I will see you next time.